Hi guys, I am Isa, and we're going to be learning how to, we're going to be configuring openbox. Openbox is it's a window manager. So since I'm using Linux, openbox is only available for Linux, sadly or not sadly. But yeah, right now I'm using GNOME, which looks like this. So openbox is a different window manager from GNOME or KDE or whatever you might be using. So first, let me just install it. Since I'm using an Ubuntu-based distro, let me install it like this. Sudo apt install openbox. Well, but I've already installed openbox, so okay, but let's say that you've installed openbox. So I'm gonna sign out and I'm gonna sign out, I'm going to openbox and I'm gonna sign in again. Okay there people, so I'm in openbox now. Besides this OBS Studio window, it'll just show a blank screen. You can right click on it, put applications, and open up all your stuff. Okay, so we're gonna configure openbox. So first we need let's add a dock to open up and close windows and stuff. So I'm gonna use Plank. So I'm just gonna install Plank like this. But I've already installed Plank, so I don't have to do this. So let's run Plank. So Plank, and it's gonna show. I've configured Plank a bit. Okay, actually I haven't configured it, but yeah, it should look something like this. Well, besides the theme, so you click on configure Plank by clicking on the by control and right click on the dock. So press preferences. So you can just change the appearance and stuff. You can make it to be on the left or maybe the top. I want to do that. It's configured. So, how do we make the dock to start whenever openbox starts? Well, you see, there's this file. If you go to .config and you go to the openbox folder, there's nothing there. So let's just create an auto start file. Auto start. What's gonna start on the beginning? So we're gonna write Plank over here. So now let's kill this Plank. And so if we restart openbox, then Plank should be running, but for me to run Plank, I'm gonna have to log out and log in again. So let me just do the equivalents. Oh yeah, also, you can either name it autostart or autostart.sh. It doesn't make any difference. But anyways, after signing out, I'm not gonna keep on signing out in too many times. So I'm just gonna do the equivalent of that and do /autostart. But for you should sign in. So I'm just do a quick chmod x. Alright, so we ran the auto starts and now it's like this. So next we're gonna need a panel. So let's use tint. So let's use tint 2. So we're gonna need let's use tint 2, which I haven't installed. So let's just install it. Okay, so yeah. We also need a background because I know this white background don't look very great. So let's also install nitrogen. I'll just close this. And also, while nitrogen's installing, there's a configuration menu here in openbox. So if I click on the desktop, there's this thing called opconf openbox configuration. So I could just you could just like change the theme of the stuff. If you have any custom themes that you've installed, then they're gonna appear over here. So let's pick no, how about this theme or something. So then you can change all of these stuff. I'm gonna just increase the font's title size or whatever. Yeah, that looks better. So I'm moving and resizing the mouse, desktops, margins, dark, yeah, all that stuff. Alright, so our stuff is done installing. So let's go to auto search again. And not just blank, we're also gonna run using the and tint 2. Tint 2, I'm gonna put that on a new line. And we're also going to run nitrogen. So as I said before, you should just sign out. I can't sign out since I'm recording, so I'm just gonna run the auto start script. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is tint 2. This is how it looks like and stuff. So let's press this button, and you'll see we have a bunch of themes. So you just click on them and check out the themes. It's taking quite a while for some reason. Okay, never mind. Actually, I'm just gonna end the video. Actually, I'm just gonna end the video here. We're gonna make a part 2 soon. So, thanks for watching. So, make sure to like and subscribe. So, bye.